Okay, it is 10:08 p.m. and this is going to be the first and last recording for today. I did not trade anything. I wasn't really present in the market, but what I think I'm going to do today is just look over the stocks and see if maybe any setups in hindsight could have played out or if there's any new ones that could be potentially interesting. And I'm not going to trade tomorrow because it is a holiday, but on top of that, I do have a new job, a second job. So what's going to happen now is that I'm going to have I believe Wednesday, Thursday, no, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday off. And on those 3 days, I'm still going to focus on the stock market. But Mondays and Fridays, I will be working because I have something that starts on Friday and ends at Monday. So I will be working those days. So that means two less days, but I'll still have 3 days that I'll be looking at stocks and setups and so on and so forth. And maybe that'll be good because then I won't be looking at it every single day. It's going to be just 3 days and I can focus on that. And I'll still every single day look at stocks, see what is up, and then, keep working on my watch list and everything so that when I show up on those 3 days that I'm off, I'm not completely blind as to what's currently moving right now. And yeah, that's going to be the case with that. This one did turn around, but I wouldn't have really have traded this one unless it had maybe positive news. It does look nice, but it also halted, so I don't think I would have traded something like this. This one is kind of iffy the way it trades back and forth, trying to hold above $6. I would not have traded this one, I think. This was another one that turned around, nothing that I would have really considered. This one isn't really up all that much, but maybe it can try to break above $4. And then that can be like a long-term thing. If it can try to break above 4, maybe try to do like another run-up. A little sketchy because I think this one is a biotech and those don't tend to play out as well. This one didn't look too good. It looked like a failed bull flag or an ascending triangle, but it could try to be a bull flag. It could still try to be like a very long-term looking bull flag, and if it can break maybe that 660 level and hold above it, it can try to do something in that sense. And I think that's pretty much it in terms of stocks that I would consider today. And let's take a look if there was any that was up nicely today. Let's see if GCTK is real. Yeah, this one was really up that much. Wouldn't have traded this because it's a halter, but I do like how it broke this level here. Although it would have felt like a chase for sure. Maybe something around this round number of $1.20 because that was a top here and it didn't even get there. But once it did it here, I like how it got there, failed, and then it broke through. That's like a confirmed breakout. This could have been a nice setup, and I'll be adding this to the watch list. Yep, it's right there. And let's take a look. Is there anything else that would be interesting? MSGM. I guess first green day, but it had a run up before. Maybe it can continue the run if it can squeeze. I don't like the volume. So I probably won't be really that interested in this one, although I can try to turn around. And it's also a bit higher price. Let's look at SECO, and I think that would be it. Yeah, I'm familiar with this stock. Very sketchy. Don't like this first run up day because there's a lot of bag holders, although there is at least a lot more volume this second run up day, but not by a lot, so not too ideal. That's pretty much it. Yeah, new work schedule, so nothing tomorrow because it's a holiday and my first day at the job, and it's going to be, I believe, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday that I will be looking at the stocks. And I guess for long term, I don't know, with the way things are going right now, it looks like a good short opportunity for gold. Looks like the head of a head and shoulders, shoulder head. This could be something where you can have an easy risk level being the top, which is this 188 level. And, just something where people are just panicking and they think the dollar's going to collapse and people are crying, whatever. And then somehow it just always seems to come back and, not be crazy, scary news anymore, but people just go back to normal. Or maybe this is exception to the rule and it'll actually break out, but this could be like a long-term short setup. It could go either way, honestly. Could even be a long setup if it breaks above it, but I don't know. It feels like then it'd be like a chase, and then maybe it might just uptrend a little and sell off massively, and then actually do it. But it definitely looks like a head and shoulders pattern. That's all I got for today.